I concentrate in the inner space where thoughts are born, in the space where feelings originate, at peace, and connect to the energy of air. Air is the element where birds fly, where clouds travel, and it is affected by human beings. They contaminated the air. In silence, I connect to that part of myself that is as free as air, transparent in light. I connect to the universal light, and I feel its power. At the source of love, I feel myself as love, and I distribute that energy sweetly, sending streams of light into the energy of the air. And with each breath, my mind acts like a magnet, pulling the pure dancing energy of love, sharing it with the element of air and the creatures in the air. My vibrations calm, soothe, and heal like a soft breeze, transmitting thoughts, dreams, and highest wishes from my heart. I sit at the heart of my being. Thanks to the fire of the sun, we can see, and we benefit from its warmth. I realize how much humanity has used the energy of fire to make war and profit. I see how selfishness and greed have sold that fire energy. In the silence, I enter into an inner space that is sacred, where I connect the sun of love. In this space sits pure love, an absolute peace within the heart of my awareness, at the heart of my soul. And I generate within me the fire of love, the fire of truth, the fire of passion for beauty, and I spread that energy. I share the love and the peace that are within me with the element of fire, softly, purely, with patience and sweetness. I allow this love to feel the relationship I have with fire. I sit in my sacred inner space. I realize my eternal relationship with the earth. The earth is our mother. She has fed us and supported us for generations. I allow positive energy and love to flow, sharing peace and harmony, creating balance in my eternal relationship with the earth. I feel able to regenerate myself, and I spread this energy of love throughout nature. I offer the supreme energy, the long-term relationship that I have with the earth. Within the universe of thought, I become a channel to spread vibrations of harmony. My thoughts, my feelings, my heart, my intelligence unite in order to spread that energy. It is now my turn to give back to the one who nourished me, carried me, and cherished me. I sit at the heart of silence. Thanks to all the oceans, clouds, and rivers, our existence is possible here on this planet. In this inner space, I feel the influence of human beings on the element of water. They have contaminated it. Within the silence, I connect to the ocean of love and consciously share this energy with the element of water. My spirit fills up with thousands of drops of peace, of love, of bliss. And I willingly allow this energy to pour out into matter. I share the purest energy of my mind with the element of water. Water that runs into the springs, the water that rains from the sky, the water that travels within clouds. And my loving heart brings the water of its love into the mills of matter.